So if you remember 2 weeks ago, we tested an unofficial Mi Unlock tool that gave us nothing but disappointment. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to officially unlock the bootloader. But before I start, I have a note to say that in last video, by the end of it, I had used the official Mi Unlock tool that had given me a waiting period of 7 days. That's the only best way possible that you can unlock your bootloader. And in my eyes, getting rid of MIUI and in comparison to that, 7-day waiting period is really nothing. So I have waited more than 7 days, like it's been 14 days now. So it's gonna work for me efficiently. If you're gonna follow the video, remember if you're applying for today, from today, 7 days in the future, you will be able to unlock your bootloader just like I'm gonna show you in this video. So without wasting any time now, let's start the video. Starting quickly, let me go to additional settings under developers option and show you that the status of my device still is locked and secured. I haven't unlocked it yet. So now if you go to the official website where the tool is supposed to be downloaded from, which is this, make sure you please download it directly from here and no other website, because you cannot trust any other website. It might even result in banning you off the Mi account servers. So don't take risk, download this tool from their official website, and once you have it, you can extract it and it will ask you to log in with the Mi ID that is associated with the phone. So basically the Mi ID which is inside the tool and the Mi ID on my phone right now is the same, and that ID is the same from the last video that I made of unlocking the bootloader using a custom modded Mi Unlock tool. Because when you are applying for the permission, that Mi ID gets registered to the Mi servers and then the waiting time starts. So you have to be sure that you do not log out of that Mi ID during the waiting period time, else the counter is gonna be reset. So once you have done this, make sure that your phone is connected with a good USB cable. Might be original, might not be, but it should not be something that's moving too much. And the connection should be permanent, not like disconnecting in a while. So once you have that, connect your phone with the PC and click on power off button. Once your phone is getting powered off, you can press and hold the combinations like volume down and power button continuously until the phone unlocks into fast boot mode. And once you have this, you'll be able to see this bunny icon repairing the Android. And after this happens, on the tool here, you'll automatically see the serial number of your phone along with which product it is. So the code name for Redmi Note 10 Pro is Sweet In and the status shows logged. And all you have to do is click on F6 keyboard button or unlock. And once you have this, it will start rotating saying unlocking and your phone's gonna restart. And if this restart happens, it will make a timer like this. That means that your phone has been unlocked and that your phone is now gonna be resetted. So make sure before you start with the video that you back up all the emergency data, contacts, like everything that is important in your phone. Because once your phone boots up again, everything in the phone is lost. It just gets wiped because of security reasons.
A few moments later.
And once it boots up, it takes some time, don't freak out, let it start. You will have this welcome screen and you have to set your phone up again the way that you did when you bought the phone.
A few moments later.
Alright, so let's quickly go to the additional settings where I might be able to see the developers option. If not, just like this, you cannot see developers option. So I first have to head to about phone and tap on MIUI version couple of times before the developer option will get unlocked. You're now a developer. Alright, now if you go down additional settings, you'll be able to see developer options. Under here, if you see now, this has fainted, it's unlocked, and here it says the device is unlocked. Now if you want to lock this bootloader, which I seriously would not recommend, you can do that later. But why would you do that? Like there's no point of unlocking and then locking the bootloader, because Mi officially provides the warranty even after you unlock the bootloader. So with that, my Redmi Note 10 Pro's bootloader is now finally unlocked, and the next thing that I have to do is install a custom recovery, then flash a custom ROM. If you have any suggestions, let me know in the comment section below which ROM should I try first, or if there is something that you want my attention on, also let me know in the comment section below. If you like what you see, click on like button, and if you want to become the part of the family, don't forget to click on subscribe. And with that, I'll be catching you guys next week with another really interesting video, believe me. So that's been it. Take care and peace.